I am going to do a product review on the Vtech ABC Text and Go Motion. You can find this at Target for $14.99, so price is very reasonable. I think it's for ages 3 and up or 4 years and up. Might be 4 years and up. Anyways, my son is over 2. He'll be 3 this year. So it's kind of a little, I guess, an older toy for him, but he loves it, and he can play the games on it. The only thing I have to help him with, because we're learning our ABCs, but if you see right here, let me zoom in. It's got a little app button right here. That's a question mark. But you push this button, and I'll show you, I'll show you what all of it does in a minute. But you push that button, and it asks you to memorize a word, and then it'll take the first word, or memorize a letter. It'll take the first word of that letter away, and you have to push on the keypad what that first letter was. And I help him with that, but other than that, he can do all of the apps on here. And this is a message button. You can actually, it has like a digital dog that you can send messages to, and right here you hit this button and you can type up a message. And obviously he can't type words yet, so if he pushes that button and wants my help, we'll write a letter together and then send the email. But that's the only thing that he can't really do on it. So, and he'll be 3 this year. So, and this toy, I'm pretty sure it was 4 years and up. Price is great, though. He loves this toy. I love this toy. So let's get to the features on it. Activities, it has the Activity 1. This is the Letter and Counting Fun. And it teaches letter sounds, vocabulary words, and counting. And then Activity 2 is the Beginning Letters. It teaches the beginning letter of each word. A word and its corresponding picture appears on the screen. Then the first letter will disappear, and you must type in the missing letter, which I've told you in the beginning. And the little app 3 is More or Less, and it's got Perry the Penguin on it. I'll show you in a minute. He's standing on a balancing beam with some dots on each side, and you listen to the question and then tilt the unit left or right, or use the arrow buttons to pick the side that has the correct answer, and then you press enter to confirm. Then we have a snowman surprise game, and it's help Perry the Penguin to make a snowman. A snowball is rolling on the screen with some objects on the road. Move the snowball to collect all the items, like a hat, scarf, eyes, nose, hands, and so on, in order to make the snowman. And you can tilt the unit left or right or use the arrow keys. Then you got 5 puppy power. Help Peter Puppy to collect the bones and put them into the holes. Again, like a bone will fall in his dog dish. You'll see the hole on either left or right. Then you tilt the tablet left or right or push the arrow keys to get it in. You have 6 Creation Station. It's make your own funny robot, and you tilt the unit left or right or use the arrow keys to choose the different body parts, and then press enter to confirm, and then it'll pop up the robot. And then Activity 7 for it is Fun Time. You listen to the music with Peter Puppy, Millie Moo, Billy Bear, Kitty Cat, Ducky, and Perry Penguin. You can use arrow buttons to choose from 10 songs. Then some of the characters will dance to the music. And you can tilt the unit left or right to see like the characters move left or right. And then you have the message button down here, which is Activity 8 on it. And it's My Messages. And what it says for that is let's send and receive fun text messages. Press the My Message button to receive a message. Then type in your own message and press the enter or My Messages button to send a message back to your pal. So I will try to go over this real quick because I know this could be long. But we'll just go over basic. That's the penguin.
Hi, friend.
Okay.
Choose an activity.
Then the email button.
Let's play. You've got a new message. To you. From your pal. Good morning. Press the letter or number buttons to type your message.
And so then you can type your message.
Enter or message button to send.
And I'll just say hi. And then I'll push the message button. And it sends it. Okay, then.
Well done.
Then ABCs.
Come on.
And 1, 2, 3.
Press any letter or number to learn.
And I'll do
4. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So it will count all of these that you push. And
A. A is for ant. D. D is for drum.
okay, and then we'll do missing letter.
Come on!
So this is activity
Remember
2.
the word and type the correct beginning letter. Ant.
And I'll get it wrong, so you can see what it does when you're wrong.
E. Whoops, almost.
You can try again.
A.
There you go.
Well done.
And then we'll do activity
Come
3.
on. Which side has less dots? Tilt left or right, or use the arrow keys to choose, and then press enter.
So see, you can use arrow keys, or I'll show you. You can tilt, and then I'll get it wrong so you see what it does. Oh wait, I'll get it right because it's on the right one.
Oops, not quite.
Oh, wrong.
This is the correct answer. Which side has more dots?
Okay, and then this is what it does when you're right.
Yeah!
Okay, and then we'll do the snowman.
Come on! Let's make a snowman. Move the snowball to collect the things
And this
you
is
need.
my son's
Tilt left
favorite
or
game
right,
on here.
or use the arrow keys to move.
And so this is what you do. You just roll the snowball left or right or tilt the screen to pick up the pieces. And then I'll show you the puppy
Come
one.
on! Help Peter Puppy put his bones into the holes. Tilt left or right, or use the arrow keys to move.
And see right, and then I'll get it wrong. See, and then the robot one.
Let's play! Create your pal. Make a funny robot. Tilt left or right, or
And then arrow keys, and then you just pick a robot, hit enter. You can pick like the body of it, hit enter,
yeah!
and then it just kind of dances. So that's all that one is. And then you got the music,
Come on!
and you can select 1 through 10, like I said. And I'll just show you this.
It's fun time. Tilt left or right to move.
And this one you have to tilt. So this is the puppy dancing, and then I see. And you knock them into the screen. But if you want to do that, and then here's the power button.
Goodbye.
So that is it. This is how big it is. It's, not huge, but it's not bad. And my son has dropped this, and it's done fine. It's pretty durable. So this was a good one. I really like it. I want to get him eventually like a Elite pad, and they do have like a Vtech pad. I think it's called Tab or something. So it's kind of like the Elite pad. I'm going to look into both of those though, but I'm glad he got this because he enjoys this. So now I know if we spend more money and get him like a Elite pad, that he'll enjoy that too, because it's got the games and the reading apps, and it's very educational also. But this was a great beginner one, and he's learning a lot with it, and it really helps with counting, and he loves the game. So this one I highly recommend, and it is a great price.